Welcome once again to me East Indian YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make East Indian traditional pickle. This is made especially during weddings. A buffet without this East Indian traditional pickle is incomplete. So let's get started. I'll share the ingredients required. All you need is 2 small raw papayas, red carrots, the large ones around 4 to 5. Also I have used these flakes, garlic flakes, and I pierced them onto a toothpick. In the same manner I have also done to this ginger. I have used ginger as well. You also get those dark green small chilies, but this time I have skipped since I couldn't find those. 2 tablespoons of split mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 100 gram dry dates. I have sliced them into 2 halves. 1 cup of vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar as you wish. All you need to do is slice the vegetable, the papaya and the carrot as shown here in the picture, and then you need to apply around 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and you have to leave it in the hot sun for around 2 hours, maximum 2 hours. Now I'll show you how to mix it. This is the red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of split mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon sugar, the vinegar 1 cup, mix it well. I'll add little more, say around 1 teaspoon of the split mustard seed. The dates, and the garlic and ginger. I couldn't find the chilies, so I had to skip the chilies. Mix it well. The takes at least 1 to 2 days for marination. After you have mixed the pickle, you need to preserve this in a ceramic jar. When the carrot and the pickle turns soft, that is the time you know that the pickle is ready for consumption. So it's very simple. I'm sure you will try out the recipe. And whenever you try, do not forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Happy cooking.